Two AI coding tools, same promise, but completely different experience. So one feels like a senior engineer sitting beside you, the other one feels like an autonomous coding machine. So which one should actually developers use? Let's look into it. So here, OpenCode and Claude. We're going to look into these two platforms here. So OpenCode, as you know, is designed more like an AI native coding workflow. It's like they are focused on automation, fast iterations, and terminal style development. Whereas Claude here, it's like an AI assistant built for deep reasoning, long conversations, debugging, and clean code explanations. Okay, so in short, think like Claude like an AI pair programmer, OpenCode as an AI coding operator. Okay, so benefits of using Claude is that it's good at understanding large code bases. Okay, it's better for explaining code clearly, like refactoring, debugging, and brainstorming system designs. Whereas open code here, it's actually better when speed matters for you. So like it's built for developers who want like fast code generation, workflow automation, rapid prototyping, and everything. So instead of discussing too much about the code, open code pushes to its execution. That's the benefit, I mean the highlights of this open code here. On the downside, Claude can sometimes feel too careful. Like it explains a lot, like ask clarification questions. So sometimes it asks a lot, whereas Cloud here, whereas like open code here, okay, it's the reliability. The biggest issue with this is that it's the reliability. The fast generation is great until the AI starts confidently shipping messy architectures. So just keep that in mind. So if you're like a beginner developer, use Cloud, and or a professional engineer working on real systems, then Cloud is better. And also if you're a team handling critical like production codes, then Cloud is safer. But if you're a startup founder trying to ship it fast, or an individual hacker optimizing for speed, in that cases I would suggest OpenCode would be better for you.